Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're in my studio overlooking the backyard, and I gotta tell you what, I need the fastest internet available. And I need something that reaches out to the entire, to the backyard, to the front yard, everywhere, the upstairs, the attic, the studio. We need coverage, and that's why I got this. It's the AX3000. It's got that dual core flagship chipset, 160 megahertz channel width. Dual WAN aggregation, that Mesh 3.0, that latest mesh, an exclusive SSID, that's Wi-Fi 6, it's the RG E4 AX3000, yeah. This is gonna allow wireless connection through walls. Makes a big difference. This style modem is gonna do a great job going up and down, so upstairs is great. It's gonna help you with, latency issues when it comes to gaming. The wired and mesh is fantastic. We're talking lightning speeds here, folks. Do you see that? And again, just a great brand from top to bottom, stem to stern. And let's go ahead and open her up. Yeah, I've been using Reyee. I've always been a big fan. And the thing is, they're easy to set up. You know, if you're worried about the setup, it's literally that easy. And you got all these antennas launching the signal in different directions to where you're covered, and that makes a world of difference. You plug it in. So it says to connect the router. If you have a modem for internet, power off your modem and return the backup battery. I know, I apologize. Sometimes I mix up the words router and modem. This is to connect your router. If you do not have a modem, you can connect it to the Ethernet port in the wall directly. It's just that easy, folks. But yeah, lightning speed. You can use the app from your Apple Store or your Google Store. Set the password and you're good to go. It's literally that easy, and it's lightning fast. You're gonna get internet where you never got internet before. I get it out in the lake now. I get it just about everywhere, and it's fantastic. You know what? It truly does work, and I have been using this brand for the longest time. I'm absolutely in love with them, so let me tell you. As somebody who does live streaming, every Tuesday we have a show that goes out to tens of thousands of people on Amazon with Amazon Live. Well, guess what? I need good internet, and it needs to reach upstairs into the studio. No problem, thanks to this. That's because it has multiple antennas going different directions, making sure that we're covered. It also has the Reyee Mesh 3.0, which means that it's ultra fast and very reliable, covering you wherever you are in the house, multiple zones. Now, you know, on YOUTUBE, 911 Studios has 500,000 people who are watching. World's Greatest Adventures, 150,000. Instagram, 500,000. We manage pages for people like Dr. Gilmore, 600,000 subs, tons of people watching us all the time. Well, if I go live, I need good coverage. Whether that's in the gym at the front or that's all the way out back at the lake, we need coverage. We need to be able to live stream at a moment's notice, and we need good coverage. Now, you may not be a live streamer. You might be a gamer and you need low latency. This has got you covered. You might be a person who has work meetings and you want to be able to present precisely without your frames locking up. This has got you covered. Or you might just be a big family with a ton of connections. Every kid has a phone, every internet device, your Roku, your Fire Stick, they're all connecting to your internet. And you need it as fast and reliable as possible with great range that goes through the walls. Well, this dual core flagship set is going to make a difference here. The dual WAN aggregation makes a difference. The exclusive gaming SSID makes a difference, and it makes sure that you are covered time and time again for gaming, audio and video, file transfer, and much more. I work in video. I'm here in Florida. My buddy Watson's up in Michigan. We are sending hundreds of gigabytes back and forth, 4K media files, video files, going back and forth, multi-gigs, all day. I'm recording, he's editing, he's sending to his brother. They're all working on it. We need fast internet that's reliable for transfer. I need to be able to be streaming from my studio, going live wherever it is, and we need all of that. Well, this has you covered with literally dozens and dozens of connections at the same time. This gives you the best mesh experience with that Wi-Fi 6 that can't be beat. So folks, this is fantastic, ties into their app. We're talking fast speed, reliable, and efficient. We're going to give you the up-close portion of the video next, but if your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is yes. We're hopefully have showed you some of the Wi-Fi speeds, the actual speeds that we got from this. The speed out at Lake we'll cover here in a moment, but if you're looking for something ultra fast, this is the device for you. Go ahead and check it out. You will not be disappointed. Stick around for us testing the speed out at the lake. You can see out there. We're going to go all the way out to the dock, show you what the coverage is out there, and then we'll give you the up-close portion of the video. But if your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is yes. All right, folks, now we're out at the lake, probably 100 yards from the router, which is in my bedroom, maybe 75 yards. I've got my additional cell phone here. We're gonna run a speed test. I'll go ahead and set the screen record so you can watch it along with me. And we'll go ahead and start the speed test and see how fast that truly is. Now, it's amazing that I can be so far away from the closest node from my device and still get incredible speed. It looks like we're getting about 240 megabits. That is really lightning fast. We're gonna have no problem streaming. The upload speeds is actually really good too. That's probably only limited by the fact that that's the highest that my internet provider offers. So folks, this is a fantastic device. You're not gonna have any slowdowns. You're really gonna be limited by your internet service provider, not by the device. So if you're looking for something absolutely fantastic, go ahead and check it out. I can't say enough about this. I am far away from my house, but still getting Wi-Fi reception, which means a lot to me because, you know, I might want to stream out here, or I might want to do a FaceTime or a call or just be on the internet. That's nice. Beautiful day, folks. Now stick around for the up-close portion of the video. We're going to take everything out and you can see it. But the cool thing about this, something I didn't tell you so much about, is it's easy to set up. You just plug it in, you plug in the internet cable, it sends out that Wi-Fi, and that's it. Set up a password. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, check it out. You won't be disappointed. Go ahead and pick one of these up. This is the best brand, bar none. Thanks for watching, and goodbye, my friends.